Desire! Desire! Jesus maravilloso!
Dong! Din ka sa Bisaya.
Enggak.
Din, Bisaya.
Oh, Bisaya.
Bisaya. Kala ko ano to, pero injik ako nga. Saya pa eh.
To, di ka Bisaya man. To.
Ang sabi niya daw, napakaliit niya.
You know, both of you know how to greet Filipino people in good morning?
Sabi niya daw, kung malo ka na, ang bati sa Filipino.
Marunong ka raw ba? Interpreter pala to.
Salamat salamat. Ang sabi niya, salamat daw.
Salamat.
Napakamaliit na
At sabi niya, salamat daw. Tapos tayo, uwi lang po pala siya ha. But anyway, thank you very much. Thank you. And stay here in the Philippines. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Salamat sa'yo. Thank you. Marunong mag-Tagalog. Very good. Hindi na maloloko to. Hey, little girl. Can I have kiss?
Bless, Lola, bless.
Bless, Lola. Aba, marunong mag-bless.
Salamat.
Another country. We have another country here.
Asia. Canada. I'm friends from Canada. They're Canadian.
Dito. Canadian. Ito, hindi na ako mahirapan dito.
Oh, yeah. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Lagi.
Hindi naman. Canadian.
Hi, sir, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm pretty good right now. Are you from Canada? Which part of Canada you are?
I'm from Calgary, Alberta.
Calgary, the one with the Calgary cold country, right?
Yes.
And you know what?
Ganun ka magsalita?
Ganun talaga.
Paano mo pa yung foreigner eh?
Foreigner tayo ang magagaling ang mga Pilipino. Tandaan mo, Pilipino, pinakamatalino, pinakamasipag na tao. Kawa na Angel man.
Oo, pero siyempre kung baka magsalita ka, masislang ka pa sa kanya eh.
Ganun talaga, nagtatanga-tangahan lang ako sa TV. Siyempre, ano to? Pogi na, matalino pa. So what I mean to say, I would like to get my friend, why I'm asking like you and when I'm talking about like you. Now, I'm talking you which part of Canada you are from.
Which part?
Yeah,
It's such a big country.
it's a big country.
Alberta.
Which part of Alberta?
Calgary.
Calgary, I know the place.
Yeah?
I've been there.
Where we been?
Beside 7-Eleven, right?
Ako naman sa 7-Eleven na nakatira.
And how young are you?
How young do you think I am?
Yeah, I think you're 18 years old.
How about plus 12?
18 plus 12. Ano nga, mahina ko sa
30!
30!
Yeah!
30 years old. 30 years old and you're that big, man.
Anong big?
Oh.
Hindi!
Don't only. Filipino, don't only. Filipino, small only. But you know what, sir? You got a right choice. You got a right choice. The A Global are one of the best here in the Philippines and also the happy country.
Oh, Philippines is the best country.
Thank you very much.
Uy, ano ba pinagsasabi mo? Ang bilis mo magsalita. Ulitin mo na lang. Daan lang. Hindi ko maintindihan eh.
Sorry about that, man. You don't understand what we're trying to say.
That's okay. My wife does the same to me.
Okay, now I'm asking you. Ano? Inuulit mo pa sa akin, ang ganda na ng English ko eh.
Ayun naman kung pinapaulit ko.
Pag inuulit ko, nasasalubsob yung English ko. Hey, what do you do back there?
Ano?
Ang trabaho mo? What your job there?
My job?
No, your job.
My job first, AIM World. Second, I'm a computer technician.
Computer technician. You make a virus, right?
No!
You pick the virus.
He fixes the virus.
And you have a boyfriend or a girlfriend?
Wife.
Wife. Your wife is a Filipina.
Yes.
Where's your wife?
From Bicol.
Bicol. Oh, from Bicol.
Uragan mo rin eh.
Uragan ang purina mo.
Uy! Masama yun.
Sabi mo sa akin, I love you yun.
Hindi yun. I love you.
Ano big sabihin nun?
AI yun.
Mura ba yun?
Oo.
Siraulo ka na, sabi ko tayo. Sabi ko, wali may magandang babae, turuan mo ko. Sabi mo, burina mo. Sabi ko, hi, burina mo. Kaya pala sinampal ako. Where's your wife?
My wife? My wife is at home in Canada.
Ayun, wala nga kayo. Hindi pa pala kayo syota nito. That's your wife? Gusto mo ba?